I'm going to be showing you how to remove the main board out of your Vizio M55-E0 TV. So we're going to start actually with removing some of the connectors and ribbons, starting over here. So you want to be just very gentle and careful. As long as you're wiggling these without too much force, they should come right out. And for this ribbon here, we have a latch, so I'll have to flip it up and that'll release the ribbon. And then again, just kind of a gentle wiggle. These are thin wires, so you don't want to be yanking on them too hard. I am using them to remove the connectors, but trying to avoid using too much force. And there we go. Now we have some screws. 4. But then we have a 5th one up here on the shroud. And the board is now free of screws. However, it does have a large pad below the processor chip. Okay, so we want to be careful. There we go. And this is the pad I was referring to. And lastly, we're going to be removing the metal shrouds. So we have one screw right here and one screw right there. And that just comes right off. And same with this one. And there we go. If you want more information on how to remove your back cover, we'll have a video up here and also a diagnostic and repair of this main board down there. If you enjoyed the content, if you found it helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.